Koyil Sri Ramanavami, Srirangam is known as Koyil in our Sampradayam popularly. In Srirangam, Sri Ramanavami is celebrated during Chaitra Masam, Shukla Paksham, Navami Tithi. On this particular day, a beautiful occasion happens. Namberumal Sri Ranganatha unites with Sherakulavalli Nachiyar, who is the divine daughter of Kulashekara Alvar. Kulashekara Alvar's divine daughter, Sherakulavalli Nachiyar, desired to marry Sri Rama. Because Kulashekara Alvar was greatly attached to Sri Rama, his daughter was also greatly attached to Sri Rama and wanted to marry him only. Namberumal Sri Ranganatha Utsavar is known to be Sri Rama himself. Hence, Sherakulavalli Nachiyar marries Sri Ranganatha, Namberumal Utsavar. This is very similar to Periyalvar, Vishnu Chitta Alvar. His daughter, Andal Nachiyar, married Periya Perumal, who is a representative of Krishna. Because Periyalvar was greatly attached to Krishna, his daughter, Andal Nachiyar, was also attached to Krishna and she married Periya Perumal, who is Krishna himself. Kulashekara Alvar's daughter desired to marry Sri Rama and she married Namberumal Sri Ranganatha Utsavar, who is Sri Rama himself. On this auspicious occasion, Namberumal Sri Ranganatha Utsavar leaves his Asthanam, his Sannidhi, and goes to Arjuna Mandapam. In this Arjuna Mandapam, Sherakulavalli Nachiyar's Sannidhi is present. Both Sri Ranganatha, Namberumal and Sherakulavalli Nachiyar remain seated on the same asanam and they remain together for the day. First, Arayar Swamis, they come and they recite Perumal Tirumozhi, which is a divine composition of Kulashekara Alvar, with Talam. After completion of this Perumal Tirumozhi recital, Namberumal and Sherakulavalli Nachiyar enjoys a beautiful Tirumanjanam, divine bathing. After that, Tiruvaradhanam is performed to both of them and Bogam is offered to both of them. After that, Tirtha Goshti will happen, where Tirtham will be distributed to all the Bhagavatas, all the devotees. In the evening, Namberumal bids farewell to Sherakulavalli Nachiyar and he goes to outside Prakaram, where summer festival is happening now. This is how Sri Ramanavami is celebrated in Srirangam.